If you want to make your iPhone look more stylish and even save some battery by enabling Extreme Super Dark Mode 2.0 on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max with the latest iOS, let's see the process. To enable dark mode, first you have to go to settings, scroll down, tap display and brightness, and from here select dark mode. Now to enable extreme dark mode 2.0, go back and tap accessibility. Scroll down and go to display and text size. Scroll down until you see reduce white point and toggle it on. You will notice the screen gets darker right away and you can adjust the slider to your preference. I had recommend keeping it around 70 to 80% for the best effect. Finally, to fully embrace the dark theme, you can customize your home screen. Just tap and hold your screen, then tap Edit in the top left corner and choose Dark from the list. This will apply dark mode across all your apps, making your iPhone look incredibly classy with the new iOS 18 update. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.